Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Prangot kirang bat kitay leka kickboxing nakani ke jela Meghalaya. Ki balami khmat ya ke India, hakji kop ke balalong hakari Nepal, nadu ke laipoi terek ujemang, hadu ke sau terek mentau jelio raja ke kendai. Kilawan rak borom, yakari bat ya ke jelahi berak kuai, hadian bakila job takma, hakalempong Open International Kickboxing Championship 2019. Nakini ki prangon, sangot naki kidai ki bajob ya ke takma ksiar. Uwei hakatakma rupa, bat arngot pat kidai ki bajob ya ke takma runong. Ki balajab ya kata kemaksiar ki kentop ya kesamla Daniela Aiwanda Milimngam haka lokek Junior Girls haka jingkia ke basan pu kilo ubabet kharsano haka lokek Senior Men haka jingkia ke basan pu kilo u penshran Miki Rabon haka lokek jengka Senior Men haka jingkia ke bahan repnyo kilo u Heyman Mi Suchiang haka Full Contact Junior Boys haka jingkia ke basan pu kilo bat u Hame Shania Suyam haka Point Fighting Senior Men haka jingkia ke basan pu kilo Ubalajab ya kata kemaru papat udai ukrau jutang khar sentiau haka lokek Senior Men haka jingkia kebasan punyo kilo. Bat ki arngot ki balajab ya kata kemar nongpan ki kentop ya Jezreel Sangma haka Full Contact Senior Men haka jingkia kebasan puai kilo. Bat u Obinas Warjri haka Full Contact Senior Men haka jingkia kebasan pusau kilo. Ban aiman siya mikini kirang berkitai lekai ke jela Marsaman Pai negari Nepal haka nyuterek muta benajil leo arhajar kat kendai la pediang buram bat penko buram ru yaki haka jelang ke balalong ha Assembly Hotel Shillong da ke Meghalaya State Kickboxing Association.
First of all, I would like to thank MSK, Meghalaya State Kickboxing, and second I would like to thank the late Bruno A. Sangma's family, Conrad Sangma and James Sangma at the same time who helped me to make me this platform to become one international kickboxing in Nepal. So I would like to thank platform in Maulai that give me such a good place to practice me, like Maulai Hall. And I would like to thank my coach at the same time. He's the only one who helped me to come in this way every morning, like every night, you know. He used to practice. We used to practice every day. I would like to thank Salari. He always supported me. I would like to thank Hamesha. He always there for me, like he always guide me. And I would like to thank everyone who was supporting me. My achievement, first I placed it first. Meghalaya Kickboxing was in the state, so I achieved silver medal. I lose with Vishal Rai. At the same time, I went for a national. I selected to be a national player at Kolkata. So again, I lose with Vishal at silver medal again in Kolkata. And from that, I achieved I got selected to become an international player at Nepal Open. So I achieved bronze medals. The first of all, financial problem. Like the financial, it makes a lot of sense for every athlete. So we used to get tense. We cannot perform every platform every day. We used to play, we also practice. We used to practice a free mind, strong. But the financial problem, it make a lot of sense for us. So first of all, I would say help us for this athlete. We really need the financial problems. First of all, we don't have any good equipment. So at the same time, we are not well we don't have proper diet at the same time, and we need a platform to practice like others. There are other countries, they have a good platform, they have good equipments. This is the important things, good equipments, good diet. For us, it's very difficult to get all those. So this is the hard. They are more good, better than us. My aim is to become a champion one day, to bring proud of India. At the same time, to Meghalaya. We the only person in Meghalaya. We have a good fighters around here. So I think we all are in Meghalaya. We have good fighters more than India. If you count other states, our Meghalaya, our northeast, more better than others. Still, we didn't have a good diet. We didn't have a good proper gym. We didn't have a good proper equipments. But still, we bring medals for our state. So others, they have good equipments. They have good diet. but still they are less because we around here are different. We hard work. We need to do like hard work.
Ngai kublai ru ya isa bero bala yalam yang kena banila kai. Sementara ngai kublai ru isa reman ba ila practice yang sampai ya kena katong ru bangan lakai. Dan ngalakai ru ningkong yang state level halaban ayo second. Dan ngalakai internet national ru ayo second ni. Dan ngalakai mentah international ru ayo goal. Dan ayat cemat bangan long shoot bangan yo shoot kanam bangan ra ya kari bangan kyo shoot ilajang bangan long champion koi kasing. Kwa ru pun mau kikin tay ba ken lakai bagian kyo siapa kum mengiru we kena ngalai ibun perlok ru kia lakai kino steng kum mengadan perlok lain sangut na ong ya practice kyong ngam kwa ra da tang tay ngi ki perlok ba kwa da ngapat ngambut ruksai gitu ayat be yakal kila jong kum ma kwa bat kyo kum tay ngayat bangan long koi kasing champion di duduk ibe ba ipen form yang nalung paring ngalakai ru nak tu ngan sapoi la kai ru bat waste la banjok pa imdan chu ngapai la kai bat miss info nak tu ngan sapoi bat sereman thadu menta ngalai ni di sereman ni bun de bala kai la pen kai bun defend tamatai
kajing jonga kamda kajing jonga te kede biha karing hi kinong support ki biang imei don sna jonga kasnong kathau te ke bhayang sem gi jara banga kajing do sem te ka ba kam konstant ka de ring hi jing jonga bangalong ka jing experience nga kalong ba pernik player india ki Nepal ki long ka spirit chungking itanat ki long ki bachelor ki to skman te nakiro mayo ka jing mentoy naki kumno ke sho kumno ke le kai ka jing tumu jonga kalong ba katkum ka experience bang hi jonga ni player ba per kalong ba ngaru ngatmu bangalong khambha su banaki ban improve bang practice su nan kam tristom susu kenamba manga ngala susu ban hawe ka kasi ngala ban job iki oi ke jing tumu jonga te kolong komba long hi we bro ki balai kai kolong bom chukun komba trang kom ta hi ngiru kwa ban ektor skman ka Nepal kala de lupa kari jongki ruslor komba ong kari badon ki gorkha ki mesim erang te kal komiso jongki kapaw tar kom hi te ngatrai kidon kinun bagi don kata jin sudor kimo bala don pana du tenrai bagian yale benar bagian du jam kom tahi ngaru kwa ban long